This is part 14 of my weekly series where I try to make $180 a week selling covered calls on HIMS stock. Now, this series has grown since then, so take a look. These are the trades that I made this week. Now, I forgot before I erased this whole dry erase board to add the covered call on HIMS, which is what this whole video series is about, dumbass. But anyway, I'll talk about it in a second. Joby, I didn't sell any covered calls this week, so it was left blank. Open, I made $146, which cost me $2,500, and I made about 5.6%. Enphase, I made about $110 in premium. It cost me $7,500. I bought this one this week. IREN, RAREN. It made $202. It cost me $5,800. And QBTS, which I've been holding on to for a while, was moving up this week, so I was able to sell a covered call. I made $157, or under 1%, so not a lot. So for the week, let's see here. I spent $22,629, and I made $585 because on Wednesday I sold a covered call on HIMS with a $49 strike price. HIMS closed at around $48, so I still hold these shares, but I actually made $585 because of the $70 on HIMS. But I actually spent $5,879 because the only investment that I made this week was IREN. In other words, I already held Enphase, Open, QBTS, and Joby in my portfolio from previous weeks where I've been selling covered calls, and they just never got assigned. I did something interesting today, which was I rolled my two options on Enphase and Open. In doing so, I extended the expiration by a week. So instead of expiring today, I rolled them to next Friday. The reason was that the stocks skyrocketed in price. Now, I had two options here. Option one was just make the 146, make the 110, assume that both of these would be over my strike price, which let's just see is Enphase. Yeah, so Enphase closed at $39.65, which means these shares would have been called away, and Open closed at $6.65, which means these shares would have been called away. Now, this week was Labor Day, right? So the markets were closed on Monday, which meant we had a limited week, right? Just Tuesday through Friday. And on Tuesday, there was some bad news, so the markets went down. So I didn't really make any of these trades until early in the morning on Wednesday. The problem is that by Wednesday afternoon and even on Thursday and today, the markets climbed higher and higher, which meant that I kind of shortchanged myself. This is the lesson learned, was I should have just waited for the stocks to recover. In other words, I got greedy. I wanted that money faster, and it turned out to not be very much. I should have just sat on the sidelines and said, okay, I'm just not going to make any money this week. So instead of making 146 and 110, I should have not sold covered calls on these two positions, and I should have just waited to see what happened over the course of the week, because I could have generated way more in premium, even on today, even on Wednesday, picking an expiration of today, which is the 5th, or going further out 1 week, I could have made way more money. So that's why I decided to roll Open and Enphase. So here's what it looks like. Whoa, did you see that? So in order to roll your contract, what you're first doing is buying back the covered call that you sold. So these positions that I have sold, I bought back, which means with Open I lost $493, but I moved it out 1 week with the same $5.50 strike price. That's going to give me the highest premium possible, which was around $601. Now, this is what I'm saying I should have just done in the first place. Instead of selling the covered calls on Wednesday to make 100 in this and 100 in that, I should have just waited. You know, hindsight is 20/20, but the reality is I could have waited, and I would have said, you know what, I'd rather not make any money and wait and see what happens than make a little bit and then be in this situation. But them's the breaks. So I lost $493. I rolled it to next Friday, which expires on the 12th, with the same $5.50 strike price. I made $601, which means my total gain was additionally another $108. So on Open, I made $146 and $108, which means that I ended up making $254, which is still not as much as the $600 it would have been, but it's a little bit more than the $146. And with Enphase, I did the same thing. I took the September 12th, so next Friday expiration, with the same strike price of $39 for the highest premium possible. I lost $303. I made $458. So my total profit was $155 plus $110, so $265. So this week I actually ended up making $948.